is the spear slash blade staff. I think I called it a blade staff, but come on, it's a spear. But it did not turn out how I wanted to. One, I didn't have the right drill bit size. I couldn't find it. So I kind of tapered it down and wedged it in a smaller hole. And two, that's crooked as heck. I should have glued it on and then shaped it. But the more you know. What I'm gonna end up doing is making that more symmetrical and taper it down closer to the pole. And I'm gonna lose a lot of material, but I'm gonna try and straighten the blade out so it goes with the actual angle of the pole instead of shooting off to the side like that. All right, first things first, we're gonna get a line drawn on there, make sure it matches the angle of the pole, and then we can see how much we actually have to take off. All right, I got a line on there. It's the straight one, not the one that's all jacked up. And I think it's coming off pretty straight from the handle. We'll go ahead and see what it looks like. Still crooked. Less crooked. Still got to hit it with the palm sander. All right, so these are still kind of pliable. It's almost been 24 hours, which this is a 24-hour cure resin, but it's kind of cooler where I'm at right now, so I'm just gonna give them a few more hours. Which is why I grabbed this thing and tried to straighten it out by taking material off. It's still a little crooked, not as bad, but it's definitely lighter, so my son can do a little bit less damage with it if he hits something. I just got to use the palm sander now, and I'm gonna get it smoothed out, take any edges off like that guy and that guy, and try to get the shape a little bit more uniform. You can see it kind of dips in on this side, not so much on this side yet, but overall I'm happy with it. I'll probably give it a coat of paint or at least stain it, so we'll see. So I've done a majority of the sanding and I just forgot to hit record, so you get to watch me finish up. Alright, I've got it down to where I want it. I think that's all the shaping I'm going to do from now. What's next is I'll probably hit the staff with some stain, and then I'll paint the blade in a metal gray color, make it look like a blade, I guess, and then cover it all in polyurethane, and that should be it. Good to go. I'm sure my son will like it even more than he did the last version. I do still have those molds to demold, get those resin pieces out. I'll be sure to make a video on that. I'm not sure if it'll be uploaded today or not. I'm kind of running out of daytime here before I gotta pick up the kids. As you saw though, I already got some cleaning done, so I should be able to edit this and get it uploaded, no problem. I just want to say thank you guys for watching. I had a lot of fun making this video. I like doing little things like this during the day, so if there's anything in particular you like or you want to see, just let me know. Thanks again. Have a great day. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's looking good. I can't wait to take these out. Oof.